Hey everyone! Today, in this episode, I will show you how to build a thriving business community with authenticity and social media marketing. It is something so valuable, especially in today's digital age, where customers want to feel special, valued, and connected with the brands they choose. Nobody wants to be just another number in a sea of faceless transactions. So, how do we create this sense of community? Let's dive right into it. In today's landscape, building a genuine sense of community around your business is paramount. Authenticity stands as the cornerstone of this endeavor. We are living in an age where people are yearning for something real, something beyond the veneer of perfectly curated brands and marketing. They crave stories that resonate, emotions that are relatable. Every business holds a unique tale within its origins. When you share your passion and journey with your audience, it forges a profound connection. This isn't fabricating a narrative. It is about imbuing your business with genuine emotion and fervor. People are eager to invest not only in products or services, but in dreams and passions. Authenticity, without a doubt, is the master key to unlocking these doors. Let us talk about how to make your customers feel really good about being part of your community. It is all about saying thank you in different ways, and this makes your customers feel important and happy. When people know you like having them around, they are more likely to keep coming back. One way to do this is by giving them special offers or discounts. It is like giving them a little gift to say thanks for being with you. It is not just a trick to get them to buy more. It is a way of showing you care. But it is not just about discounts. Sometimes, a simple thank you can mean a lot. It is like saying, "Hey, we see you and we appreciate you." When your customers feel this way, they don't just buy things from you. They become part of your group. They talk about you to their friends and help you grow. So, when you're working on building your community, remember that saying thank you is super important. It turns one-time shoppers into loyal fans who love your stuff. It is proof that in today's world, building relationships is just as important as selling things. Now, let us talk about the role of social media in building your community. Social media can be a game changer, and it is often the best way to connect with your audience. But here is the thing. Don't limit yourself to just one platform. Experiment with all the major platforms like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and more. Try them all and see where your audience resonates the most. There is no one-size-fits-all answer, and you might be surprised by which platform works best for your brand and vibe. And don't forget about email marketing. It might be more effective than you think. That's a wrap for today's video. I hope you found these insights on building a business community through authenticity and social media marketing helpful. Remember, authenticity is the key to creating a lasting connection with your customers, and social media can be a powerful tool in your marketing arsenal. Additionally, if you found this video educational and are hungry for more business knowledge, please think about becoming a subscriber to our channel. Your support is what fuels this channel and allows us to keep delivering valuable information. And also, I'd love to hear your requests for future episodes. We are excited about connecting with you in our future videos. Thank you for tuning in and see you in our next video.